Hi everyone, how's everybody doing? Today I'm going to be showing you my package that I got from Marmalade Nails, and I'm so excited to show you. So on this video I'm going to be showing you a little bit of each design and color and how they are, and on the next video hopefully I could show you how do I apply them. I'm really excited, and let's just get started. Let me just show you how they look. This is the next set. This one's called the Marmalade Gatsby Coffin set, and this is how they look. Let me open them. These are the matte and coffin shapes, but they all come with the file, the nails, the little wooden stick, and this little plastic to remove them, and it's glue. So look at how beautiful this is. These are one of the top of the line nails I've used. The brand is called Marmalade, and I really love their products. I'll be linking their Instagram on my description box, and also they sell some different styles on morphe.com, so you could check them out. So let me open this from the box. It comes with application and removal instructions, and these are the nails. This set is called the Marmalade Aurora set, and it's coffin shape, and it's a matte silk finish. It's a very matte but also metallic to me, and it's purple to blue. It's really nice. This next one is called the Marmalade Volta. It's a coffin and they are metallic. These look like this. They're super metallic, super beautiful, and they're coffin shape. These are very nice for Valentine's Day, actually. Maybe I'll put them on the next video so you could see them. This is the little plastic thing that I use to remove the nails. This is also very pretty, gives me also Valentine's Day vibes, but also like spring. These are called the Borderline, and these are stiletto glossy. And they're like baby pink with some lines. It looks very beautiful and feminine. These look like this. They look so classy and elegant. I really like these a lot. Actually, I'm gonna let you guys pick which one I should use for my next video on how to apply them. So leave a comment below on which one should I use. These right here scream summer vibes, summer, spring. Oh my god, these are so beautiful. These ones are called the Marmalade Sun Blaze Stiletto Iridescent nails, and they're stiletto. Let me open them and show you how they look inside. These are the Sun Blaze Stiletto Iridescent. Aren't these so beautiful? These actually give me Easter vibes, but also summer vibes. Kind of want to wear them for both occasions. They're so beautiful. These are the Marmalade Roulette Dares Coffin Matte Silk Finish, which also gives you like a coffin shape with metallic finish, but also like a matte. Let me show you how they look inside. Aren't these so beautiful? This is also giving me Valentine's Day vibes. They're so beautiful. Like I said, leave a comment below of which ones you want me to use on my next video and show you how to apply them. What do you guys think of me giving away one box to one of my followers? Leave a comment. This next one's called Marmalade Blaze Stiletto Iridescent. These are kind of like the yellow ones that I showed you, but in like a pinkish iridescent. It's like a pinkish lavender. Wow, these are stunning. They have a little bit of yellow, a little bit of pink, purple, blue, teal. It just depends where the light hits it. These are so beautiful. Very spring vibes. And these are stiletto shape. These are very nice. Spring, summer for sure. These right here, I've been wanting them and I'm so happy that I got them. These are the Marmalade Lilac Coffin, and let me show you inside. For these, the packaging is different, as you could tell. These come like this, and if you flip it over, you'll have all your products. And if you flip it over, this is how it looks. So it has like a different packaging, but the quality and the nails are still the same, just different packaging. So I just took off the protective plastic, and these are the Lilac Coffin long nails, and these are very spring vibes. I really like them. And if you follow them on Instagram, they're called Marmalade Nails. So I'll put everything on the description box actually. These are the last ones. This was called the Marmalade Sweet Escape. Also, these are the last two that I've been wanting so much, and the reason why I got the rest of them. I've been using Marmalade nails for a long time now, and they're just great nails. Let me open the box to show you the last pair. So this is how they look. They're long and they're coffin shaped, and they're matte pink. I'm in love with these so much. I wanted these for such a long time. They're so beautiful. And obviously in the bottom part, it has the rest of the nails. So comment below which one was your favorite nails, and comment which one should I apply on my next video. And if you think it's a great idea for me to give a pair of these away to any subscriber on my next video. Thank you everyone for watching, and hope to see you guys soon. Bye.